Hello everyone, Alyssa at Clearwater MarineMax, and today I have the pleasure of showing you this beautiful 19 SPX Sea Ray in the Rally Red color. The bimini up top. We'll swing around the back here. It's got a Merc 150 on the back, plenty of power to push this thing, scoots it right along. Stepping aboard, we've got the gray sea deck on the back on the transom. Tow pole here for any water sports you want to do. A ladder here on the transom for easy access in and out of the boat. Gray interior with the vinyl woven snap-in flooring. Really nice lounge seat back here. Comes around to a seat with a backrest that does go into a flat surface here. This flips up, filler comes in, makes this a nice seating area as well. Back here we have a huge lounge area, but also underneath a lot of storage. Really nice feature for this boat. Swinging around, I'll show you this bimini. Lots of coverage from the sun here. Brings us down to our captain's chair with the bolster that flips up. This also turns. You've got your analog gauges and your sound system, your throttle over here. We've got a nice storage area here as well. Could be used as phone storage or a small cooler. Storage down here as well. Tons and tons of storage on this boat. Full windshield that closes up into the bow seating area. You've got your sound system that wraps around. This cushion can be removed to make this a step up to the front. And underneath all of these seats, there is storage. Cup holders everywhere you look on this boat. Sea Ray really thinks about the cup holders. And just the nice touches in the stitching on the upholstery. So again, this is our 19 SPX in the Rally Red with the gray interior, sea deck through the back, woven flooring through the cockpit. Thanks for joining. Give me a shout at MarineMax Clearwater. This is Alyssa. We'll see you on the water.